Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change the language of the Medal of Honor Warfighter. As you can see, there's no option built in this game that allows you to change the language. So let me show you how to do it. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, right now you just head to your installation folder, and from there you can see GDF binary files with the language in it. So all you wanna do is put the dot back in the language you don't wanna use. I'm gonna be sending my game into Polish language because I'm from Poland. So as you can see, only the Polish language doesn't have the dot back in it. And we are heading to another step. Right now, the another step is to press Windows R, type in reg edit, and press enter. And from here, you go local machine, software, scroll down, wow, node, and here you just press right click, new key, and you type in danger close games. If you have it, then you have it. If you don't have it, you create it. And for danger close games, another key, and you put in the name of the game. So for us is Medal of Honor Warfighter. So we change the name, Medal of Honor Warfighter, and now in this new, now you type in locale, new, install dir, and another one is GDF binary, and we're gonna change this. And once again we are at our installation folder, and for GDF binary you just click on the address bar, click copy, and here you can see your GDF binary. So GDF binary, we put in this, and then copy this name of the language you want to use and paste it in this. Press OK, install there, because it needs to find the GDF binary. So once again we click on this, see, and locale, we just put the end of this. So for me it's PL. You can just type it in or copy, whatever. Press OK, and right now we're gonna change the shortcut. Press properties. Once again we open the install there. As you can see, the game's Medal Warfighter, but we need to change this to the game because it needs to start in this folder. So we just paste it, click apply, and this can stay like it is. Press OK, and right now all we have left to do is restart your computer. It's a must. You must restart your computer because the registry needs to refresh itself. So let me do this and I'll catch you in a minute. Okay, right now when we have restarted our system, we head to our shortcut and we put at the end dash language, and once again the name of the language you want to use. So for me it's PLPL. Press apply. Okay, and let's test it. As you can see, my game is right now in the Polish language, and that's all. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.